Hey everyone, welcome to Teo's Take. As you know, recently I purchased a SmallRig RC100B COB light for my setup, and for that light I ordered this RA-D30 mini Parabolic Softbox. This is very portable, cute little softbox. The problem with this box is that I couldn't figure out how to put it in shape so I can set it up, and I checked the internet. I couldn't find any videos. There's some instructions, so I just wanted to make a video to show you guys how this works. Super easy. You basically open the box, and here's the little pouch it comes with. It's a nice SmallRig fabric pouch, and inside the pouch you get the diffuser cloth with the male Velcro on it, and here's the umbrella style SmallRig little diffuser thingy. So it comes like this, and it doesn't stay in shape to create that half sphere shape. So in order to do that, what you need to do is one by one, each of these, you got to kind of push it from inside like this and put it in shape. It doesn't make any sound or anything, it doesn't click or anything, it just stays in shape. And as you do it, you kind of turn it like this, and then this. And if the ones doesn't take the shape, you kind of do it again until it becomes a half sphere, the shape that you ideally want. You have to use a little bit of force. Don't worry, you're not going to break it. Super strong. And then grab this thing and put it on this half, on the other half with this female Velcro parts, and kind of like go as you kind of turn it as you stick it. Super easy. Anyhow, like so. So this is it. Becomes your little portable softbox. Now when you're done with it, you want to close it and put them back into this pouch. To do that is super easy. These two little ears, you grab it and squeeze it. Look, check it out. Boom. And then you tie it up. You can just leave the diffuser on, push it in, and then grab your pouch, put this thing in. So if you own one of these COB lights, this is a really great solution, portable solution to take it with you. And if you like this content, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making many more contents similar to this with all the high-tech stuff. Also check out my espresso videos. Additionally, I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description for this. So if you like to look it up and order one for yourself, go ahead and order it through that link. It's not going to cost you anything extra. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video of Teo's Take.